problems. What dreams may come? He likes that. How about river monster? It's just meaning big fish. Do the other. He likes them.
What do you want?
Boo! Tickle him on the side.
Are you trying as hard as you can not to laugh? Yeah. You can play with that? Play with it. What is it? Oh.
Boo! Boo!
Oh gosh, you're strong. Rip off my case if you want. Jeez. Angry baby. Do something. Come on. I'm gonna get like 2 hours of nothing, really. Look over here. Junior.